Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power t is equal to t raised to power 2. Here, to solve for the value of t. So t is your known question right here. Now, to solve this, okay, looking at this by mere inspection, I'm working with the rule that if you have a raised to power b equals a raised to power c, since they have the same base, right, simply compare the exponents such that b is equal to c. Now with this, we can all conclude that the value of t is equal to 2. And if you check that out, working with t raised to power t, the question t raised to power 2, now we got the value of t as 2 by mere inspection, right? Now in putting the value of 2 into this question, right, t is 2, raised to power t is 2, is equal to t is 2 raised to power 2. So obviously, we've gotten the solution for t that correctly satisfies the given equation. Now apart from this value of t as equal to 2, there are also other values of t that is the correct solution for this question. Okay, so let us check it out. Solution. The question is t raised to power t equals to t raised to power 2. So the first thing we're going to do is to divide both sides by t raised to power 2 over t raised to power 2. So this cancels this. What we have is t raised to power t over t raised to power 2 is equal to 1. Okay, and also working with this rule that if you have a raised to power b over a raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b minus c. Since they are joined by division sign and they have the same base, pick one of the base and subtract the powers. So applying this right here, this is then equal to, okay, t raised to power t minus 2 is all equal to 1. So with this, at this junction, what you are then going to do is to introduce natural logarithm to both sides of the equation. So ln t raised to power t minus 2 is equal to ln 1. And from here, natural logarithm, right, you can apply the property of logarithm to natural logarithm. Don't forget that logarithm is simply log to base 10, while ln is equal to log to base e. Okay, now applying the property of logarithm to natural logarithm, right, there's a rule of logarithm that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. So applying this right here, this is then equal to power t minus 2 becomes t minus 2 times ln t, okay, is equal to ln 1. And from here, the value of ln1 is equal to 0. So that means that the value of ln1 right here will become 0. So t minus 2 multiplied by ln t is equal to ln1 becomes 0. Such that you can equate t minus 2 to 0 and ln t to 0. So with this, t minus 2 is equal to 0, or ln t is equal to 0. And from this first linear equation that t minus 2 equals 0, so t minus 2 is equal to 0, move minus 2 over to this side. This then becomes t is equal to plus 2. And this was the initial value of t that we got, right? So good. Now, for the other solution of t, working with this question that ln t is equal to 0, so from here, we're going to introduce e to both sides of the equation. So e raised to power ln t is equal to e raised to power 0. From here, e will cancel ln. What you have is t is equal to e raised to power 0. From here, t is equal to e raised to power 0 is 1. In fact, if you have e raised to power 0, it equals 1. If you have a raised to power 0, it equals 1. If you have x power of 0, is equals 1. Now, the only exception is 0 raised to power 0. This is not equal to 1. It is undefined. So with this, we have gotten the second value solution for t as 1. Now, let's check. Let's check if the solutions that I've gotten are the correct solutions. So the first value of t equals to 2, the second one is equal to 1. And the question is t raised to power t equals t raised to power 2. Now, for the first solution of t which equals 2, right, inputting the value of 2 into this question, so t is 2 raised to power t is 2 is equal to t is 2 raised to power 2. So obviously, the value of t1 is the correct solution. And also for the value of t2, which is 1, inputting the value of t as 1 into the question, okay, the value of t becomes 1 raised to power t is 1 equals to t 1 raised to power 2. 1 raised to power 1 is 1 equals to 1 raised to power 2 is 1. So the value of t2, which equals 1, is also the correct solution. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.